Yeah.
In item 24 to 35, Lordship.
Yes.
On the basis of which, my lord, the impugn action has been initiated, my lord, the cabinet decision, my lord. I found that in the cabinet decision, your lordship was one of the members. In the cabinet decision, your lordship was one of the members.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
No, lordship, actually, it would have been beneficial for us, my lord.
Unfortunately, you are lucky.
No, my lord. It's unlucky for me, actually, my lord. We thought the whole matter, my lord, this way or that way should, my lord, be disposed of, my lord. But
14 to 35.
yes, lordship will.
They relying on the cabinet decision.
Yes.
Okay.
On the basis of which the cabinet decision said verify, my lord. They have reassessed, my lord, misinterpreting it.
This court was not a cabinet minister. How can be a
No, your lordship was, it's there in the cabinet, lordship name is there.
meeting in the cabinet meeting?
Yes, the decision on which this was taken, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship was one of the members, my lord. Is your name, lordship name is reflected, my lord.
List these matters before other appropriate to the
Yes.
24 to 35.
Yes, lordship.
Yes.
It was unfortunate actually for me, my
No,
lord.
it's unfortunately fortunate for you.
Obliged, lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, 22, 23. These are connected matters.
Yes.
I have taken
Where is
consent.
Mr. Tara?
I have taken consent from him.
So why were you heard and fixed today?
My lord, I'm on BC, my lord.
Yes.
My
Lordship,
lord,
I am mentioning on behalf of
I was told that
Mr. President. Mr. President.
my lord,
Mr. President. You know the difficulty in conducting the court through BC?
my lord, I am fully aware. Unfortunately, I am on a submission out of Arunachal.
Okay.
My lord, brother Tagum has lost his beloved sister.
On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioners, parties, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
No, Lordship. Let matter may be fixed, Lordship. Let maybe
After 4 weeks.
No, Lordship. 8 Lordship. 8 January, Lordship.
Not 8 January. So many matters.
Lordship.
Make it 17.
Fine, my lord. Fine.
17.
17, fine, my lord.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted bail application, lordship. Unlisted bail application, lordship.
Tomorrow.
Your Lordship, may I beg to mention item number 77?
Yes.
Yes, the respondent has filed his affidavit in opposition on 18th and
Where
has,
is this?
yes.
Will dispose the matter.
Your Lordship, I'll be filing my rejoinder, so I seek a time.
Yeah, this condemnation has been delay has been condemned. That's all, nothing else.
Your Lordship, there is also this one.
You fight out in the appeal. What's there?
Your Lordship, that LCR has also on last date has not reached the court yet. Later it come, Your Lordship, and we may hear on that because we are relying on the documents which are in the
How
record.
could you obtain a interim order by filing a stay when this court has rejected your prayer
No,
when the petition was moved?
Your Lordship, stay
There is proper.
stay was given by the Honorable Court on last date, Your Lordship.
You have filed. This has been rejected. Your prayer was rejected.
Your Honor, may please come to
It
order.
was rejected, but then you filed a IA and got an interim order.
Your Lordship, come to order dated 16th.
It's not done.
Your
You
Lordship,
should not do that.
Your Lordship was 6 November.
Anyway, on the prayer of MS,
Be Pulu, Your
B. Pulu, learned counsel for the petition, list this matter after 6 weeks so as to enable her to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit of opposition filed by the
Lordship,
respondent.
may not be 6 weeks, lordship, before 15, lordship.
Your Lordship, at least give us
My
affidavit
clients are
because-
pressing hard because they have obtained as your.
No, if
Your-
this court takes up this matter, I'll take a serious view. You cannot
Yes, Your
put this.
Lordship, they took 7 months.
Have you mentioned in your IA that this court has rejected your interim prayer
No,
at the outset?
it was well informed to the Honorable Court that this was not.
Have you mentioned in your IA petition?
No, Your
No,
Lordship.
lordship.
IA interlocutory application.
No,
No.
that was acknowledged to the Honorable Court.
You
Your
have-
Honor.
appears to have taken advantage of the.
No, your lordship, not at all, because the respondent had also,
It's not good for you personally as a lawyer.
no, the respondent had also intimated to
But
honorable
fixing it
court.
on 9th, Lordship.
Your lordship, at least give us time, sufficient time, because they took 7
Also,
months
this is
time.
a civil revision
Your
petition,
lordship, they
Lordship.
took 7 months time to
Even-
file their
Even
opposition.
reply is not
affidavit.
required, Lordship.
I'm seeking just for a one
It is on
sufficient
record.
time. I have to file a,
What's
my
the
rejoinder
time?
to your lordship.
See, you are agreed by the condonation of delay of 70 days, 74 days or 80
Your Honor,
days.
it is not simply about the condoning the delay. It is, we are,
That's why the merits.
they
will
took
be-
the
you-
false grounds,
You
your
fight
lordship.
out in the appeal.
Your
What's
lordship,
there?
please let the LCR also come, because that has not
What
yet reached the
LCR?
court. Because on last date, on 6 November, the LCR, the case record was called from the lower court. That has not reached yet, your
We'll
lordship.
dispense that.
Let that come, your
Madam, we'll
lordship.
dispense
Your
that.
lordship, what is the haste in disposing the matter, your lordship?
It's not has, it is the conduct by the lawyer.
No, your lordship, it is the respondents.
When this court, after hearing you has rejected an interim prayer, you file an IA in other court, in a coordinate, in other court, and you obtain the interim.
Your lordship.
There's no reason for there's no mention, whisper of the order of this court.
Your lordship, the honorable court was duly intimated about the stay of.
Have you mentioned in your IA?
Not mentioned in the IA, but it was even intimated by the
It doesn't,
respondent himself,
it's
your
not
lordship.
recorded in the interim order also.
Your lordship, please give us 4 weeks time to file a reply. Your lordship, please, and maintain.
16. No, we cannot allow this. It's not healthy for the institution, including yourself.
Your lordship,
You are a budding lawyer.
your lordship. please
Madam,
give
how long you have been in practice?
10 years, your lordship.
10 years.
10 years.
What enough? You are qualified to be, elevated to the judge of the High Court. It's not healthy. We will not encourage this. And we should not, all of us. It's not healthy for the institution. Rather, it's a mischief.
No, your lordship, I would never misuse this honorable courts, this, never, because honorable court himself, he went to the records.
16, we'll take it up 16.
Your lordship fixes on 27 January, your lordship.
20
Because the council comes from,
16.
your lordship, the leading council comes from Guwahati, your
Yes,
lordship.
nothing, madam. Whether there is a reason, ground to condone the delay or not, that's all. Merit you fight out in the appeal.
They have taken the false grounds to condone the delay, your lordships, and we have proved with our evidentiary documents on record, your lordship. So give us sufficient, because there are two,
It's
two-
it's sufficient. Today is 23rd.
yes, your lordship,
16 is how many days?
15 days then.
It's
15
almost 4 weeks.
15 days, no,
4
no, 4 weeks,
weeks.
4 weeks will about after 23, after 23, your lordship.
16 plus 7,
13 days.
16.
God bless
16. Listed on 16.
God bless you.
You have to answer to the observation made a while ago by this court.
It was well intimated, your lordship. I have not done anything for.
There is no record.
There's no
You have
record.
not mentioned in your IA. No, there is any. It's recorded in the order subsequently passed by this court.
I think we prayed for this
I'll
one.
take it very
We
seriously.
prayed for the tempering of the.
Not
orders,
not
your
against
lordship.
you, for the interest of the institution.
God bless you.
Please take care.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention an unlisted item, your lordship, for
Tomorrow.
anticipatory bill, your lordship.
Tomorrow.
I have much of.
Yeah, your lordship. I beg to mention one pending matter, criminal appeal, your lordship. Since the,
After 3 weeks.
your lordship, condition of the accused person is very critical.
Tomorrow is the last day.
Yes, your lordship.
Criminal appeal.
Yes, your lordship.
Which year?
23, on 23 it was filed.
It will listed in its own term. What is the urgency?
Accused person is currently accused person is admitted in the medical, in very critical condition, your lordship.
7th,
Seven.
7th January. 7th January.
Oh, bless.
Issue notice, that's all. Bail is granted.
Granted, my lord.
Yes,
In the manner, my lord, kindly come to page 26, my lord.
26.
26, my lord. Type copies at page 29. my lord.
This, you are agreed by this.
This, my lord.
Heard Mr. Keta, learned counsel for the petitioner. Agreed by the order dated 15/12/2024. Passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class, Capital Complex, UPI. This revision petition has been filed. Criminal miscellaneous application has been filed. Whereby before that, whereby the accused, how many?
Four, my lord.
Accused,
Respondent
respondent
number
number 3,
2 to 5.
2 to 5 have been granted bail in connection with
Naharlagan PS case number 1.
Naharlagan PS case number 154 of 2024 under section 105, 106, so and so, huh? Page 29, huh? Issue notice returnable by
If it can be, my lord, on
3
a-
weeks. Mr.
immediately
T
after.
at the learned additional PP enters appearance on behalf of the state. Learned counsel by petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respond number 2 to
Dust-
5.
Dusty may be also allowed.
Registered close as well as Dusty by Dusty mode, huh?
My lord,
Please,
maybe through jurisdictional PS, no, dusty is not permissible. Maybe through jurisdictional PS, your lord.
Hmm?
Maybe through jurisdictional PS.
Jurisdictional PS.
Okay, correct. Then maybe through jurisdiction PS. Registered post as well as through registered post to jurisdictional police station.
Yes, your lord.
Yes.
Highly
Just after 3 weeks.
Yes, sir. Oblige.
Yes.
Mason,
Hmm.
I'm agreed by the order, my lord. 23/9/2024, my lord.
Where it is?
It is page number 35, my lord.
Page 35.
36, my lord, 36.
Hmm.
36, 36, my lord.
36. Yes.
By this order, my lord, learned court below, my lord, dismiss my suit, my lord.
Hmm.
Dismiss my suit,
Yes.
my title, my lord.
Hmm.
Therefore, I find, my lord, that is a judicial error, my lord, because, my lord, learned court below, my lord, failed to exercise his jurisdiction entrusted to him, my lord. Because, my
Well, you
lord,
should notice that's all.
notice, my lord.
Heard Mr. L. Permit, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this revision petition, the petitioners,
No, one
One.
single, my lord, petitioner, my lord.
single
My lord.
petitioner has filing this one, so the revision petition, the petitioner has this revision petition is directed against the judgment and order dated 23/09/2024. Order dated 23/09/2024, passed by the civil judge within bracket junior division bracket Konsa. Entitled suit number 02 of 2024. Whereby the title suit filed by the petition has been dismissed. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Land Council for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon responding number. How many respondents?
My lord, 4, my lord. 5, my lord.
The respondents by registered person. Second also same.
Same, only title suit is number 1.
Title suit is number one.
Number.
Second one, title is number one. Huh?
Name is. I
Name is
know.
also there. Three also same.
Same, my lord. Only
Two is title suit number 2. Item 3 is title number 1.
1.
Same. Same also. Yes.
Obvious.
This good.
Mayor,
Yes.
my lord, this is the my lord, regular bill application for it.
So issue notice.
My lord, my lord, considering case, my lord, this, my lord, the all the sections, my lord, are bailable, my lord. Only one section, my lord, that is snitching, my lord. My lord will see, my lord, here, see what, this is a lady, my lord. She was arrested, my lord, on 4/12/2020. This is the nature of case, my lord, where my
Will fix on 3rd.
Yes, my lord will consider under what circumstances this case came up. My lord kindly, my lord, this happened, my lord, she is the wife. So what happened? This FIR has been filed by the mistress. What happened, my lord? My lord kindly turn
Can you
tomorrow.
bring the case there tomorrow?
Your lordship,
Appears to be a fight between the wives.
My lord, wife, my lord, this is
First-
something
first
happened.
wife is-
I lodged FIR against my husband because he fired at me, my lord. Then, my lord, this mistress,
We cannot use the word mistress.
my lord, she's not the wife, but now what to say, my lord, friend, then, my lord, we can say, my lord,
Whatever a friend,
friend, my lord.
you say
Then-
friend.
My lord, next day, she files, my lord.
Can you
your
get
lordship,
the city by tomorrow?
I will try, your lordship. I will make an active.
Kindly.
Heard Mr.
Give you.
Arson Land Council for the petitioner, the applicant. Next minute. This application is filed under section 4. This application under section 483 of the BNSS 20 BNSS, huh? 20 so praying for. Praying for bail of the accused, namely Nargis bracket keeper, in connection with Papu Hill PS case number 99 of 2024 under section 1 so and so BNS, huh? Page 2. Call for the case diary. List the matter of Mr. T.F. London Edison PP to produce the case diary tomorrow. That is, tomorrow. List the matter on
24/12.
24 so and so. Huh?
Oblige. Your lordship.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord, this is subsequent regular bail application file under section 4.
NDPS.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my.
Mr. So and so London Council for the applicant. Mr. This is an application for application under section 483 of BNSS, same for praying for grant of bail to the accused, namely Sri Tana Tamin, in connection with Bandardua PS case number 70 of 2024 under section 21 within bracket B, bracket close of NTBS Act 1985. Call for the case diary. Case diary.
Yes, your lordship.
My lord, this,
Mr. So and theater and additional PP. Appears for district. List the matter.
7th January.
7 January. Painful. 7th January.
7 so and so. Huh?
Oblige. Your lordship.
Much lord.
Heard Mr. Bijamo Land Council for the applicant the application under section 480 NSS for praying for grant of privilege of prayer spell to the applicant in connection with Alopius case number 63 of 2024 under section 318 within bracket 4 bracket close 3 bracket 5 bracket close BS 2023 page 1 call for the case diary.
Yes, Lordship.
Call for the case diary. Mr. T at so and so learned counsel for the learned additional PP APS code state case diary.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Having considered the page 20, you write in the event of arrest of the accused applicant. Mobile Nyorak, page 20. In connection, so and so and so and so, same order. Page 20. Name
Lordship,
will be different.
Lordship,
After 3 weeks.
interim Lordship.
Interim I have got.
The main accused is already.
Main accused has been done.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Page 20.
After 3 weeks.
Name will be.
Deeply obliged, Lord.
Obliged.
List on will give that fixed date. List on after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship, on 23rd of January.
23rd,
Obliged.
Please, Lordship. My
We'll
Lord,
call for the case diary.
yes, my Lord.
It's a 302.
Yes, my Lord.
You may be correct. We'll see the case diary.
My Lord, the other two accused has already been released on my interim bail, my Lord.
By whom?
By this honorable court, my Lord. No. It was similar, at least, my Lord, parity, my Lord.
Where it is?
My Lord, I just,
Have you annexed this?
no, my Lord, because at that time we couldn't, put this. We have mentioned in our paragraph.
Where it is? Where you have mentioned?
My Lord, para 21, my Lord.
These are
Connected, same
sons,
affair.
no,
Same.
relatives, relatives,
Oh, brothers,
relations.
yes, brothers, cousin brothers.
Otherwise,
Malab, with the entire family members, malab, all brothers have been just been, their names have been inserted now. And entire family members, malab, if, even if someone has that specific, malab, otherwise the people who are studying in Delhi has also been made as an accused person.
otherwise not, I'm not.
No, no, but I
could see
appreciate,
the
Malab.
critic, but then
Yes.
what to do?
The two other bails,
Yes.
Your Lordship, one of the bail,
Yes, heard mister, what to do?
no, I was just explaining, Your Lordship, two of the applicants got bail, one on the ground that his alibi that he was in the, which,
No, it doesn't say anything.
Yes, malab, here, malab, same,
It
malab,
doesn't say
the
anything.
second was, yes, the second was with an alibi that he was present in his office at Itanagar, Your Lordship.
here
No,
also. it's a-
anyway, it
government
doesn't say-
servant, malab.
interim order doesn't say, interim bill doesn't say anything.
Does not say anything.
So, otherwise, this court is not inclined at this stage, but then what to do? Right? Heard Mr. Peter, counsel for the petitioner. Applicant. Decision. Application under section 482, same, so and so, so and so. Praying for privilege of pre-arrest bail to the ex-person, namely
Asing Lambu.
Asing Lamgu, page 2, in connection with, so in connection with Sayang Taja PSS number 06 of 2024, under section 102, within bracket 2, bracket close, public 238, within bracket A, bracket close, public 61, bracket 2, bracket close, BNS 2023. Call for the case diary. Mr. Ms. Tijini, learned additional PP. appears for the state, appears for this, appears and accepts notice on behalf of the state. Same. Interim.
My other two same, my
Name
lord.
will be different. Same. Name will be different. That's all. Yes.
My lord,
My lord, it same, my lord. Same.
8 also same. Yes. Name will be different. Huh? You find out the name. Don't mix it up.
My lord, 10 also, man.
9, 10.
8,
7, 8, 9, 10.
yes. 9 is different.
9 is different.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
8, 10,
10, 9, give the 9.
7, 8 and 10.
7, 8,
And
10. Huh? 9.
right.
Yes.
my places, Lord.
Good. 7, 7, 8, and 10. This is 9. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Anticipated bail, my lord. The allegation is, my lord. May I take my lord to page 13?
Hmm.
Page 13.
Yes.
May I read?
Hmm.
To officer in charge police station Darjeeling, subject an FIR against unknown person for stolen of my lady handbag and mobile and illegal transaction of my SBI account by using the stolen mobile.
Heard Mr. Swain, learned counsel for the applicant. This is an application under section 482 of BNSS to praying for privilege of pre-arrest bail. Have you appeared before the police?
No, I'm ready to appear before police station, my lord.
Your lordship, in the FIR,
My lord,
Your
May-
friend has been arrested.
yes, many accused have been already arrested and mobile is already recovered.
Mr. Lordship, in the FIR, his name is not been mentioned. However, now since he's approached this honorable court, so the allegation, your lordship you'll find that certain amount has been taken out and her account has been used by the accused person.
It's okay. We'll
Okay, your lordship, then.
direct him to appear. In connection with Narzulu PS case number 70 of 2024 under section 303 within bracket 2 bracket close of BNS 2023. Mr. T. Leonard additional PP appears for the appears for the state and accepts notice. Appears and accept notice on behalf of the state. Having considered the nature of the offense alleged and the documents annexed to the having considered the nature of the offense alleged in the interim, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the accused, Sri Tageomo shall be released on bail. On furnishing a bail bond of rupees. You are a student.
Actually,
How old you are?
I'm 12 first.
With 21 years.
With surety like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority with the following conditions. The accused shall appear before the investigating authority, investigating officer within a period of 7 days from today. Then 2 other conditions. That's all.
Your lordship, yes.
Any other condition?
Not required, your lordship. Maybe list again 15th, your lordship, of CD, for perusal of CD, 15th of January.
Before that you says, call for the CD, huh? Mr. So-and-so, huh? Then you provide. next period, list on
15 January, Your Lordship.
15/01/2020.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
My lord,
Yes, Mr. Thara.
I am seeking for stay of the FIR number 4424.
You are
That
only
is,
seeking stay. Are you
yes,
not
and
seeking for quashing?
for the moment, this is in the motion stage.
Heard
Then I
Mr.
thought of,
Titi Thara, heard Mr. Titi Thara, learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under section 428 of so and so, so and so. Praying for quashment of Dapurija PS case number 44 of 2024. Charge sheet has been filed.
Yes,
charge
Lord.
sheet has been filed. All the proceedings, my lord.
Come on, charge sheet dated 01/10/2024. And GR corresponding to GR case number 61 of 2024.
Correct.
Under section 120B/171F of IPC
Correct.
1860, pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Dapurija. List of call for the scanned copy of the trial court records
Notice to the
from
respondent
the
number
court
2.
of Chief Judicial Magistrate Dapurija. Mr. MS El Hagelan, additional PP appears for respondent number.
2 Lordship.
Respondent
I'm
number
for respondent number 1 and respondent 2 is
appears
also
for
there.
instead, except entered appearance on behalf except entered appearance and accepts notice on behalf of the state. Mr. Learned counsel for the petitioner to take a stage for service of notice after respondent number 2. By
Correct,
so and so, so and so, so and so. Pending production of the trial court records, the further proceedings of the GR case number
61.
61 of 2024, pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate shall remain state.
Much
List after
obliged.
forward.
Much
Yes,
obliged.
issue notice. Here also issue notice, to the ones and call for the case. Will issue notice termination.
Yes, it can be lordship disposed of even this is also. The reason of termination is pending criminal case, whereas office of the superintendent of police,
That will
OCPS,
we'll see.
CJM court, all
Mr. M. Learned counsel for the petitioner. What is the impugn order?
page number 32.
Page
32, annexure 3. 32.
32.
Yes, lordship. But only ground is pending criminal case, whereas juvenile justice court has also passed order.
Saying
Superintendent police give certificate of no pending case. CJM court given no pending case. OCPS gave me no pending case. Nothing survives.
Then
The reason is for having a criminal pending case. And there is no criminal pending case. In fact,
it clearly says antecedent prohibition from Adversing district. It is found that the case is registered against.
yes, lordship. But all the police stations, SP office, CJM court, juvenile justice board have certified that there is no criminal case against me.
That's why we want to look at it. It's one side of the story. But it record says your termination is based on the
Yes.
the pending of criminal cases.
Lordship,
Criminal case against you, which has been charged.
charge sheet has been already filed and the juvenile justice board order is also there. I am only placed as a witness. May I take your lordship to
Anyway,
the,
you cannot dispose it. We'll have to hear the other side, right? Mr. Tapik. We'll see. You find out there's a recent judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court where it says mere pending, even if you are an accused, cannot be a ground for not termination, even for consideration of appointment. You
There,
cannot be denied on the appointment as well as the termination on the mere pendency of criminal case. Recently, last week, maybe last week, last week. Have you gone through?
not.
So,
But
why you
Lordship,
are not coming up?
I'm only placed as a witness. If
It's
you-
okay. There's a judgment. Well, you will have to come with the judgment. I heard Mr. Emmett Allen, counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the 2307-2024. Passed by the Assistant Inspector General of Police within bracket E bracket close Police Headquarters, Itanagar, whereby the provisional selection, where the provisional selection and appointment to the post of constable of the petitioner has been terminated on the ground that a criminal case has been registered against the petitioner, wherein the charge sheet has been also a charge sheet has been filed. List of issue notice to the respondents. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. List of since Mr. Estep in London edition, London senior government advocate enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies be served to the London Council for the respondents. This after 4 weeks, nothing else. You find out the judgment.
My lord, in this case, the private respondent number, he himself was the member of the DPC and recommended his promotion, my lord, who is a lower division clerk not eligible.
Suppose, see, Mr. Tara, if we state this order, impugn
My
order,
lord.
I mean the promotion order, what benefit will, what will be your benefit?
My lord, I am the senior most UDC. My case should have been considered first. Well, prima facie, this is a bad case, my lord. The gentleman should not be allowed in this manner.
Sir, why not in copy shop?
My lord,
Yes,
he was LDC and then so.
Apparently, there's something wrong.
so we'll stay this. We'll stay the promotion order.
Correct, my lord. I'm praying for that.
That's why I'm asking, what benefit will, what you will get, what would be the
Lord.
benefit for you if we
My
stay
lord.
the promotion order?
My lord, the benefit that I will accrue is I will be immediately allowed to hold the charge of Sresthadar. Because my lord is aware in service jurisprudence, without considering the case of senior, no junior can be promoted. And here he is LDC and inter.
Because these deficiencies of others.
And the respondent was functioning as a Sresthidar for so many years.
My lord, he was given officiating promotion, and that too, my lord,
Will is-
in, my lord will see.
Will stay the promotion appointment order, but then will provide that in the meantime the respondent shall be allowed to function as the officiating as allowed in the year 2000 is allowed initially.
That,
All right.
that suffice, my
Otherwise,
lord.
the work will hamper.
Correct, my lord, that suffice.
Will
That's
better. We cannot blanket state it.
that,
Heard Mr. Titi Thara, Land Council for the petitioners. The petitioners have assailed the departmental DPC meeting held on dated 02/08/2024, and the appointment order of the respondent number
three.
three. Appointment order dated 05/08/2024. Whereby the respondent number three, the appointment order passed by, issued by the
Deputy
Deputy
Commissioner.
Commissioner, right? Where it is?
Yes, Lordship. Deputy Commissioner, Lordship.
Page,
Page-
my lord, 28, my lord.
Page Lordship, 28, 29, Lordship. 29 is type copy, Lordship. 29, Lordship.
Okay.
Type copy.
2nd August 2024. Issued by the Deputy Commissioner Papumpare District. Whoever the respondent number three has been appointed
Regularized, my lord.
as source.
Regularized, my lord. My lord,
Where it
that
is?
page 28, my lord, will find.
It has been regularized as trustee the DC office UPI, DC Deputy Commissioner's office, UPI, pursuant to the DPC, aforesaid DPC meeting consists of the respondent number three is one of the member himself. List of next para. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Since Mr. Estapin learned so and so, learned senior government advocate enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1 and 2. No formal notice be need, no normal notice be need, no need be served. However, accept the furnished to the land council for land senior government advocate. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3 by registered for so and so, so and so. Next paragraph. Having considered that the respondent number 3, namely H.H. Nabam, who has been appointed, who has been regularized as Sirstida, DC office, Deputy Commissioner's office, UPI. Who was also one of the members of the DPC pursuant to which he was pursuant to respondent number 3 was appointed as regularized. I deem it appropriate to state that impugn order dated 02/08/2024. This accordingly till the returnable date. The impugn order dated so and so 02/08/2026 shall remain in state. However, it is provided that the respondent number 3 shall be allowed to function as officiously solicited. as per the order dated 23, in terms of the, as allowed to him by the order dated, by the order dated 23/02/2018. List up to 3, I said 3 weeks, 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
You will be allowed to function as a solicitor.
No issue, my lord.
May I please, my lord? My lord, basically,
Will issue
for
notice.
representation of the, my lord, disposal of the representation, my lord.
We'll see on next date. We'll just issue notice today.
My lord, then, my lord, may I pray that, my lord, on the first week of the opening of the, after the break, my lord. Can it be, my lord, on my lord?
What is you are agreed by your rejection?
No, my lord. I have not been rejected, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, what happened, my lord? Pursuant to, my lord, the opening of the financial bid, my lord. The financial bid, my lord, committee has recommended, I am L2, my lord. And financial.
You have been recommended
No, yes, I have been
by
recommended.
the evaluation committee, but the
Committee.
higher authority has rejected it.
Yes, my lord.
Now, in the meantime, the L1 has withdrawn his.
Yes, exactly, my lord. That's why.
So
my
you are
lord.
prayed for.
Yes.
What is this? Take instruction, sir. If L1 is not interested, and coupled with the fact that the evaluation committee has recommended his name,
Yes.
so there should not be a bar. Why should you go for unnecessary interest in that? Take up tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
My lord.
And tomorrow or
Tomorrow, my lord. Only
third we can see that. We'll dispose of the matter.
my lord.
At least even if they have any, even if they don't agree that you cannot be allowed, to, we'll direct them to
In the meantime, they will
consider
also
your
consider.
case and dispose of the representation.
My lord,
Mr.
there shall be not bar to consider my representation, my lord, till next listing.
We'll ask them to obtain instruction. Right. Heard Mr. Arsekia, learn counsel for the petitioner. By filing this application, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to consider the direction to the responding authorities,
One, my lord.
particularly responding secretary,
Secretary, he is the, my lord, CEO also, my lord,
okay,
for the scheme.
particularly secretary, come chief executive officer, ARRDA, and RWD, to award the work to the petitioner's firm. Petitioner firm who has been selected as, who has been recommended as L1, L2
As
For
a
the work
responsible
of what?
bidder, my lord.
for work of,
Construction of PMGS road under Vibrant Village.
for construction of PMGS road. Where is that?
Sario to Saria Takang, my
Where
lord.
it is?
My lord, in the recommendation reserved at page 73, my lord.
73.
Serial number 9, my lord.
LO to page 73, LO 26 days construction of, huh? LO 26 days, Saria to L030105. Pursuant to the NIT, under village,
Vibrant Village.
vibrant village program.
Program.
Pursuant to the NIT, what is this?
Dated 3/7/2024, my lord.
NIT
My lord, you
dated.
find at page 37.
You just tell that.
3/7/2024.
3/7/2024. Mr. Considering the nature of the prayer and the nature of the issue involved in the prayer made by land council by petitioner, comma, Mr. G. Tarak Learned Standing Council RWD is directed to obtain instruction. List the matter on 03/01/2025.
All right.
My lord, this is relating to pension, my lord. He superannuated, the petitioner superannuated from service on
Yes.
31/12/2021. And thereafter, my lord, only
16.
That's wrong with.
This is 15 mile.
Lordship, now it's in 15 is, Lordship, now 15.
This is
15?
15, sir. This is the
Sorry, my lord.
nicety of being appearing through a BC. Heard me,
Extremely
sir.
sorry, my lord.
Jikato, what is this?
Lordship, this is,
Well, issue notice.
yes, Lordship.
What's there, what is not there? We don't know.
Lordship, this is already.
Heard Mr. G. Kato, land counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to make full payment of the compensation amount of what?
Lordship, land remaining, Lordship, remaining land of,
Compensation of the land,
yeah, remaining land of, Lordship, remaining payment, Lordship, for the 10,920 square meter, Lordship.
forget about that, which place?
Lordship, at Lika Valley, this land has been acquired.
Particular area,
Lordship, this land,
land situated at situated near Malini area of Likabali,
Lordship, for
which
establishment
has
of,
been acquired for
establishment of ITBP office,
establishment of ITBP
Lordship.
office. List of. It is contended by the landed council for the petitioner. The petitioner has been paid some amounts. However, remaining amount of rupees, how much?
Lordship, 1,14,062,000 has to be paid, but only 5,50,000 has been paid only.
No, in that case, will be. However, remaining amounts, amount,
Lordship, remaining amount is, Lordship,
remaining amount has not been paid except an amount of rupees 5,50,000.
yes, Lordship, Lordship, payment, remaining amount of 1,14,062.
It's okay, forget about that.
Lordship.
How much you have been paid when you have asked for the remaining amount?
Lordship, only, this remaining amount, 5,50,000 has been paid, Lordship.
You have accepted it.
Lordship, that by way of this bank account, Lordship.
You have accepted it.
Lordship, at first, that
Please stop. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Since Mr. Who is 1, 2, 3, 4, whoever else are there?
I'm for 1 and 2, madam.
Mr. Since Mr. As Mr. M. They come to Land Council, Standing Council for Land Management Department and MS
3,
T.
4,
Wangmo, Land State Council for respondent number
3, 4 and 5.
3, 4, and 5, and Mr. M. On behalf of Mr. M. Kato, London DSGY, correspondent have entered appearance and accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copy will be furnished to the Land Council for the same.
Lordship.
Any private respondent? No.
No, Lordship.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship. Oblige, Lordship.
Issue notice. Heard Mr. Titi Tara, Land Council
Madam,
for the
kindly-
petitioner.
Madam, kindly direct,
By
give
filing
direction for,
this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to immediately settle and immediately process the pension paper of the petitioner for settlement of pensionary benefits. Please, Steph. Because you have not been issued a NOC from the business department.
correct, my lord. In paragraph 10, my lord, there is
the
a one
pension
small
has not
vigilance
been
case.
Settled. Is it so?
No, no, my lord, only one
Hmm?
time only, my lord will kindly come.
Criminal case is pending, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes. 14/3/2023, my lord, at page 22, my lord. Only 6 months provisional pension was given, and thereafter
Yeah.
pension paper has not been processed.
Well, issue notice,
So there,
sir,
my lord, kindly
Sir,
give
we will
direction.
see.
to-
it is contended by Mr. Tara that the pensionary benefits of petitioner has not been settled due to non-issuance of no objection certificate from the Vigilance Department on account of pending of Alice.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship.
against the petitioner, which is not the required, which withheld the pension of the petitioner, which is the pension beneficiary, a hard-earned property. Please stop. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Correct, my lord.
MS. T. Wang Learned State Council. Therefore, no formal notice need be served. Extra copies be furnished to the land list after 4 weeks.
My
What
lord,
is the
kindly
interim prayer?
continue. My interim prayer is to direct the respondent to continue the provisional pension order dated 14/3/2023, my lord.
It is, please stop. It is needless to say that the provisional pension of the petitioner shall be paid, shall be continued to pay, shall be continued to be paid. Please stop. Are you getting the provisional pension?
No, my lord, my lord. Only 6 months. Thereafter, I have not got.
No, in that case, Mr. It is provided that the authorities to provide provisional pension to the petitioner.
My lord, that
List after
section,
3.
my lord, that rule 64, my lord, 6, CCS pension rule. If the,
Consider.
yes, if the final
I've
amount of
recorded
pension,
your submission. It's a property.
correct, my lord.
Property under section 300A of the Constitution.
Correct, my lord. My lord, that CCS
Yes,
rule,
Okay, we'll see on next day.
correct. Grateful, my lord.
My pleasure, my lord.
Yes.
This is the tender matter, my lord. Earlier, because of some defect in the petition, my lord, we had to withdraw and
Yes.
file the fresh, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the main crux of argument is that, my lord, first of all, there is a clause in the tender, my lord, that before opening of the financial bid, if any representation is filed, that has to be first dealt with. But that has been not done in the Eastern case. And
Well-
second, my lord,
So we'll issue notice.
yes,
What's
and
there?
second, my lord, same set of tender papers we have submitted in three firms, tenders, my lord. Two have been rejected and one of them have been considered, my lord. How the same set of papers can be done like that, my lord? So our prayer is, my lord, we are not seeking this honorable court to award us the work, my lord, but we are seeking is that at least allow us to our financial bid should be open. That's the prayer we are making, madam. We are not seeking any direction from this honorable court to award us the work, madam.
No, once your bid is rejected, how can we direct them to, unless we decide that you are entitled,
No, that's why, madam.
your technical bid has been wrongly rejected, unless we decide that.
That's why I'm submitting, madam, these two main major grounds, madam. Same set of papers, technically how it can be rejected when it's considered in another
By the same authority.
But authority, madam. It was different, madam. Matter would have been same project, same authority, madam, by the same authority.
But only the difference is the area, I mean, the.
Yes, project is different.
Area is in,
Area is different.
but the same authority.
Same authority.
Your other papers have, in your documents,
Yes.
in other tender methods
Yes.
have been accepted.
Yes. Same set of documents.
My lord, this matter is already heard by my lords. And earlier, after affidavit and after exchange of pleadings, they withdraw. And again, they file, and because of something,
But the
illegal-
liberty was granted.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, same ground. There was no stay there also. Now,
So
what
we're
is
not
it already
passing on
done?
the stay, but
Not-
then you come up,
Let the notice go.
just because there's no stay, don't be delay. You file your affidavit on next date.
Earlier also, we already filed, and they have also filed the reply, then they withdraw.
You
Of
file the
course.
same thing.
Yes, madam, it will be easier for you now, madam.
Is not Mr. Peter, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the rejection of his technical bid by the, what is this? Technical Bid Evaluation Committee
Yes, madam, technical video.
dated 02/08/2024.
Yes.
Pursuant to the NIT dated 03/07/2024 for construction of LO or L0, LO,
L0, madam.
L0 to a dash 0.15 kilometer km feet what?
Point, madam.
Point of 0.15 kilometer point of Nampasario Road to Variam via
Partha.
Partesulu by package number AR 030107 Which is this NIT?
My lord,
Where is the NIT?
NIT, my lord, your lordship will find it. Page 35, my lord, that would be better.
35.
Yes,
Page 35, huh?
yes, sir.
Yellow 125, page 35, right? Description of the work. Usually so many similar methods are there. Page 35. It is the contention of Mr. Peter Council that same documents in respect of other packages of work. And same documents of the petitioner in respect of some other package has been accepted. However, in the present case, the respondent authorities have rejected the same documents which has been accepted by them in the other packages, which is clearly arbitrary. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
3 weeks, lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes.
since Mr. G. Tarak Lanet, Standing Counsel for RWD, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
No,
No,
there is private
A
response.
respondent number
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Formal notice need be served by extra copy signature, huh? Petitioners to take steps for service of notice. Next para, huh? Petitioners to take steps for service of notice of restaurant 5 and 6 by registered post with the edition and such.
My lord, we may be allowed
for
to take dusty service as well, my lord. 5 and 6.
Dusty,
Yes,
by dusty mode, huh?
yeah. My lord, your lordship, the item number 19 would be same, my lord. 19 would be same, the project would be different.
18.
18 is bit different. 19 would be same, the same.
19 and project is page,
My lord, in 19,
it is in item 19. Will come to 18,
Yes.
just the same.
19.
Yes, item, this is item 19. No, this is 18. At 19 page,
My lordship, page 34, lordship. 34.
yellow to sim.
But it will be, but 37, my lord, that would be more clearer. 37. This of the date is different, 5/7/2020.
0507/2020. It's not same. Earlier was,
3, my lord.
okay, 0507/2. NIT, huh?
Yes.
For construction of road is
From Karima Pau to Raro, my lord, that's left, column 3.
page 37. LO L027 dash road from Raro. 17 and 19. There will be a difference. 18 is what?
My lord, 18, my lord, the project here, we have submitted, here it's not the case that we have been awarded in different, that one, my lord. Here, what we are stressing, my lord, defects that were found in the other,
Same
It-
date of rejection.
yes, my lord.
Same order. This
It's here is page
the NIT
34,
would be 0307/2024, huh?
page 34. lordship.
Page 34. That's all. And you delete that submission contention, huh?
Yes, my lord. Dusty, my lord, in all cases.
Same.
Yes, obliged, my lord.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this case, I have SL the impugn termination order passed by respondent number 1, Your Lordship. The termination order is in annexure 6, Your Lordship, page number 31.
31.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Why you have been terminated?
I was terminated from the service, I was terminated from the service, Your Lordship, on the basis
What
that
is the-
my appointment was illegal.
Madam, what is the type copy?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Type copy.
Type copy, Your Lordship. Type copy is in page number, Your Lordship, page number 35, Your Lordship. Type copy is in 35. And serial number, my name is in serial number 101, Your Lordship.
It's a mass termination.
Yes,
Just issue notice. Heard MS
A Talam.
Talam, London Council for the petitioner. Agreed by the order dated 16 November 2023,
Yes, Your
1
Lordship.
year back.
Yes, 1 year back.
What
but
you were doing?
I have submitted representation, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Representation in
16/11/2023, passed by the commissioner. Commissioner within bracket Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. whereby as many as 102 numbers of employees have been terminated in which the petitioners is one of is in which the service of petitioner has also been terminated. Comma, what I've said, agreed by. So, comma, this present petition has been instituted. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Next, Mr. Arkoy, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Tita Gupta, standing counsel for Education Department. Appears and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copy be furnished to the learned counsel by the parties. Instituted after this list of the petitioner has prayed for a direction to a phrase for reinstatement as MTS, as the petitioner claims to have been appointed. On what basis you were appointed?
Your Lordship, my husband, he has donated a land for establishing.
In lieu of the
Yes,
land donated by her husband for establishment of
primary school, Your Lordship.
primary school
Yes,
at,
in lieu of that land donation, I was appointed as a
at
confidential.
primary school at
Yes, government
primary school at
Mori, sir, Your Lordship.
Mori.
Yes, Siang district, Arunachal Pradesh.
Mori village.
Yes, Mori village,
At
Your Lordship.
Mori, Siang district. Then issue notice, Return.
My Lord.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship. This is an appeal against conviction, Lordship.
okay. Mr.
Jeetal.
Under section,
He has been convicted under
10 of
okay.
10.
POXO.
10 POXO.
or Mr. Jital, on counsel for the appellant. Please go. This is an appeal under section 415 of BNSS 2020, 2023. Against the judgment and order dated 30/30/2024. Was by the special judge within Boxer, Pasig in Pasigat SC within bracket Boxer, case number 40 of 2022 under section 376 within bracket F, page 2, whereby the appellant has been convicted and sentenced convicted under section 10 of the POXO Act 2012 and sentenced him to rigorous array of for 5 years and imposing an amount of rupees 20,000 as fine or to within stipulation to undergo further imprisonment 1 year. with default stipulation to under default stipulation, under for the imprisonment of 1 year. Can we admit this?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Admit. Call for the records. No, before that, MSTs in Islamic Edition PP appears for the state. Call for the records. Issue notice to the respondents. Respondent number 2. Next paragraph. Respond. Petitioners to take stage for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by through
Registered post, Your Lordship.
by register for.
Lordship, through the office of the PP.
That can also be done.
Registered post through the office of the public prosecutor. Least after 4 weeks.
Lordship, there is an IA also, Lordship, although it's not mentioned, listed in the
Same notice issue.
notice maybe issued.
In IA, Heart so and so, and also so and so. Not
IA
also
126.
Heart so and so, MS issue notice, MST in so and so, additional PP appears for the state. Appears in exit notice on behalf of the state, steps
Yeah.
for respondents number 2, so and so, same.
Much. Here, Your Lordship, we need some more time to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Heard Miss MS so and so.
Your Honor, I'm appearing for SK Dewry on behalf of SK Dewry.
Hmm?
I'm appearing on behalf of SK Dewry for the petitioner.
Heard MS so and so. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. SK Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. Mr. Wairidam. Learned state council press foreign is granted. For the 3 weeks time to file the affidavit.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Dewry, please.
In this case, the petitioner was granted arm license by the district magistrate Eastern District. And same was expired on 31/1/2022. After that, he submitted a renewal form. Madam, may kindly see page number 35. 35. Madam, the deputy commissioner, the district magistrate was refused to arm license. And my lord, again, on page number 39, again, another application was submitted to the district magistrate. This was also not considered. After that, my lord, again, may kindly see page number 45.
Yes, what is the reason of what is the reason?
Madam, there is no reason. But really they inform us that there was a blanket ban of the issuing of.
That has been settled.
Yes, that has been already interpreted by the Honorable Court.
So,
This is for renewal matter.
hmm,
And earlier petition matter, it was for cancellation. Their arm license for cancel matter.
hmm.
This is for renewal and
So what is the difference? You are not renewing because you have refused to renew because this was at the time when he obtained the arm license, it was banned.
Yes, ma'am, 2017.
So same thing, whether cancellation or so.
Same order will pass only then.
Will just say this is covered by the judgment and order of so and so, so and so.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, similar benefits should be given to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. Omodi, learned counsel for the petition, and also heard MS T. Wongma, learned state counsel for all the respondents.
Yes, ma'am.
Agreed by the next para. A refusal to renew the arms license by number LN 03161 capital A 7A23219 public 886 public ESD and UN so and so. Where is that arm license?
It's on page 34, ma'am.
Page 34, right? Number is, what is the number? Just where do we find the number? This arm license number.
Wait, license number,
It's on page 34, madam, in the license, ma'am.
Page 34.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, page 30 number, huh? UNN license. This petition has been filed for a direction to the district magistrate, deputy commissioner, East Siang district, Pasigat, to consider the application for renewal of the above referred arm license of the petitioner. Which has been submitted on 10/01/2023 and 03/07/2023. Please do. Next paragraph. It is the case of the petitioner that the district magistrate deputy commissioner from East Siang district, Pasigat, has issued arm license to the petitioner. On when? When it was issued? When issue was issued, sir?
5/2/2019.
05/02/2019. Mr. On the expiry of the arms license, the petitioner submitted an application for renewal of the same in two occasions. On dated 05/07/2022 and 1/01/2023. That first one will be different, huh? You have to check. This is the correct date. First one is 05/07/2022 and 10/01/2023. Mr. The petitioner submitted a representation on 03/07/2022 as his arm license was not renewed by the authority. Mr. MS Mr. Omodi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has been informed verbally that the license issued to the petitioner, that's when the license of the petitioner, arm license of the petitioner was issued. Illegally, as the same was issued during the currency of the ban ordered by the government, dated 02/09/2016 and 18/10/2019. List of he submits that even if there was a ban for issuance of arm license, no fault can be attributed to the petitioner, as the arm license was issued to the petitioner by the competent authority. Competent authority himself, that the district magistrate comes, deputy commissioner, PCN district. Be that as it may, he submits that the ban orders that is 02/09/2016 and 08/18/2019 have been set aside by this court in the in writ petition 148 of 2022. Mr. Next para. MST Wang learned State Council clearly submits that since the ban order is since the orders dated 02/09/2016 and 18/10/2019 have been interfered with and set aside by this court, the petitioner may be entitled to the same relief as provided to the petitions in the writ petition within Supra. Next para. Having considered the submissions of the counsel for the parties, and also considered that the Judgment and order dated 24/08/2024. First in the writ petition within brackets. First in the writ petitions. The leading case being WPC 148 of 2022. And has agreed to learned counsel for the parties that the present case, they said judgment and order that is 18 squarely covers the case of the petition. The present is disposed of with the direction to the respondent authority, particularly district magistrate deputy commissioner, East Siang district, to consider the case of the petitioner by providing this similar relief, by granting similar relief, by providing similar relief to the petitioner as regard the renewal license, arm license of the petitioner. In accordance with the applicable acts and rules, the writ petition stands allowed and disposed of.
My lord, in view of certain subsequent statements of the victim have been recorded, I pray I may be allowed to withdraw the liberty to file it. I have not seen that.
Yes, Mr. Sonar has traveled us right from Guwahati to back here.
Yes, because I will just inform.
Okay. Mr. Arsonar learned counsel for the applicant submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this bail application. Please. Mr. T at Learned PP and MS Endang in Learned Legal Counsel for respondent number 2 are present. Mr. Next para. Prayer is allowed. Comma. The bail application is then dismissed on withdrawal. Have you found out that the order of the Supreme Court?
Yes, Your Lordship. Regarding non-granting of bail during the pendency of the trial, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, I have one judgment on that, Your Lordship.
What is that?
That is, Your Lordship, state of,
Justice J.B. Pardiwala.
Your Lordship, AK Sikri, State of Bihar versus Raj Vallabh, Your Lordship. Here also,
Which year?
2017, Your Lordship.
Recent judgment.
I am talking about last 10 days before.
Yes. This is something of arbiter observation in that.
Of
case.
course, it's passed in order, but then
Yes.
it has been observed that
Observation.
taking the prevalent situation or the orders passed by the trial court and the high court in the entire country.
With due respect, my lord, that other parties also there, Article 21.
No,
right
no,
to
Article
speedy
21 will come when you establish that there is a delay in
Yes.
the trial.
That's fine.
If you can show that, then Article 20.
Ultimately, my lord will be balancing both. the
Otherwise.
things.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, on the last occasion, the statement of the victim has been called for.
Yes.
Only to ascertain whether the further custodial interrogation of the accused person is needed or not.
What is the offense?
Offense is 64 clause 1 of BNSS.
64 Your Lordship.
64 clause 1 of BNSS.
What is that?
It's a rape.
What is the stage?
Your Lordship, the statement of the victim under 183 has already been recorded, Your Lordship.
Its trial is on.
No, Your Lordship, investigation is.
Investigation.
Yes, almost completed. I was arrested on 10/11/2024. Since then, I am languishing under the custody. Lordship. I was arrested on 10 November 2024. Lordship. Now
10
it's-
November
Yes, it's 40.
2024. How
Yes,
many days?
it's 43 days to the,
So, what is the, do you have the case diary?
Yes, your lordship.
What is there?
Uh, the victim has clearly stated how the offense was
161.
164, which is now 183 under the VNS, your lordship.
183.
Yes.
Yes.
because your lordship further keeping inside for the
It's a
indefinite
rape.
period, Lord, it will not serve any
It's a
purpose.
heinous offense, sir.
Yes, it's only allegation yourself. As per their allegation, I was committed rape yourself. But as per the statement or
Heard,
accused person,
Mr.
it's a consensual, your lordship,
Heard, Mr. What is the age of the victim?
She's a major, your lordship.
major lordship.
You wait for some time. Heard, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, applicant.
The applicant.
Bail rejected. Thank you.
How less?
May I please, my lord?
CD,
Lordship is here.
what is this? Offense.
Offense, lordship,
69 and 91
and
BNS.
91, lordship.
What is this?
69 is false promise of marriage and 91 is preventing unborn child from being born here. Prevent unborn child from being born.
Huh?
Preventing child from being born, Your Honor.
Preventing?
Child from being born.
Okay.
Unborn child.
Okay, okay. Very serious.
Yes, lordship. Lordship here also accused during.
Any material?
Lordship here, accused says.
How many days?
Till to 26 days.
26 days.
Yes, Your Honor,
Child.
my lord, I
What is there? Anything
Lordship,
against?
lordship here, lordship, as per the lordship, this scary lordship, the accused has admitted in his statement that he has started that relationship, that he has started a relationship without intention of marrying her. So he admitted that,
Relation.
yes, he's admitted lordship, and moreover lordship, but the other
So
the
what is the
documents
question?
lordship
What is the
related.
question of false homage?
Yes, lordship, he accused has admitted.
Heard
Your Honor,
Mr. So-and-so
my
learned
lord,
counsel
it's-
for the petition
promise of marriage.
applicant
It is not attracted, Your Honor.
and Mr. MS El Hage learned additional PP for the state.
My lord,
Any private respondent? No.
Lordship here, lordship,
Any private respondent?
private respondent, lordship, no private respondent.
my lord, 69 is,
Bail allowed.
69 is not attractive.
Bail allowed. Give the case diary.
Much obliged.
What is this? Okay, you keep it here. I'll pass the order. We'll pass the order in the chamber. Yes, madam. We'll pass the order in the chamber. Next.
My lord, CD was called for, my lord.
We have not received the CD yet, your lordship. It's a
Invite-
NDPS case, 27A.
On third.
one-
Mr. P. Tapo, learned counsel for the petition.
I'm meant to be listed on 7th, my lord.
Seventh, huh?
That was my lord.
Mr. P. at the learned additional P. Submits that he has not received the case diary. Mr. This is the matter on 7/01/2025. On which date, Mr. Which date the additional PP shall produce the case diary.
Your lordship, let it be on 10th, your lordship.
10,
10th.
date 10.
All right.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes. What is this?
My lord, bail application.
Offense,
Opens NDPS Act.
NDPA,
Yes.
how many days?
Uh, 4 months and 24 days.
Okay.
4 months and 24 days,
Then-
almost 144 days. today.
Charge sheet has been filed.
Not yet filed.
Still, we have received the WT message from the concern IO that, from the concerned department that IO is on leave, Lordship.
Who else? Does the IO carry with all the documents and case that is with him when he's on leave?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, almost in
400,
144 days today.
140,
44 days.
then rejected.
Your Honor, actually, in this case, co-accused already granted bail by Honorable District.
Doesn't matter.
Maybe call for the city on next day.
So when do we want?
6th January 2025.
6 January,
Monday.
you will have to come to my residence.
My lord, 9 January.
9 January. Mr. These are learned counsel for the petitioner. Applicant, MS L. Hage, learned additional PP, submits that due to holiday availed by the additional, the investigating authority, she could not, she has not been provided with the case diary. She has not been, the case diary has not been transmitted to her. Therefore, she prays for further 2 weeks time to obtain the case diary. On the ground that the IO is on holiday.
On leave, Lordship.
Holiday or leave?
Leave, Lordship.
I would say a holiday. Although the grounds of not transmitting the case diary by the IO when he is on holiday cannot be a ground to, cannot be accepted as a ground for adjournment of the bail application. However, providing as a last chance, the learned additional PP is granted for the 2 weeks time as prayed for, with the condition that she will invariably place the case diary on the next date fixed. List the matter on 9 January. 09/01/20. Holiday no ground. This is all up to
Up to
Up to-
45, Lordship.
43, 44, 45.
okay. All same.
Same case.
You make it in the, is this out of same FIR?
Yes, same FIR, same case, same PS.
Okay, so different case, so the separate order, but same order. Yes, next.
Oblige.
Right, Lordship.
Lordship, may I please?
Yes.
Lordship, this is purely family dispute matter.
Hmm?
Purely family dispute matter.
What matter?
Family dispute matter.
Family dispute.
Second wave and third wave fighting between one another, and the husband intervened, thereby case registered against the husband. And
So-
all the allegations is more punishment extended up to only 7 years. All the LI section are below 7 years of punishment, and I have been there in the custody.
Where is
for
the
last
FIR?
20 days.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is page number 27. Original FIR is 29 and type of copy 30.
What is page 17?
Page 17 is second FIR. This is a second FIR by the third wave, who is a victim in this case. Victim of this case, because second wave and third wave fighting between each other. In a result, the third wave get
What about
serious injury.
first wife?
Pardon.
Second and third wife.
Second and
What
third
about
wave.
first wife?
The first wave is no issue.
Yeah.
Yes, here in case first may be the bailer, petitioner in this, petitioner body, husband accused. The incident I took place,
Victim is
the victim is a third wave with the 1.5-month baby. And in this regard, regarding this page number 17 FIR, say item number 4 is listed today and called for CD. That is another case. And in my case, page number 29, this is my FIR against me.
page 29.
Page 29. And page 30, the original typed copy married. To the officer in charge of Puel Police Station, Nahal so and so. FIR against Charu Aki, this is accused person. Sir, I am Miss so and so filing FIR against husband Charu Aki on 29/11/2024, Friday at around 1:15 or 1:30 p.m. at highway nearby Benjamin Hotel on the roadside. I made fight with Pura Aki Tar. During our fight, she took iron stick to attack me. In self-defense, I snatched the iron stick from her hand and attacked her back. In the midst of our fight, Charu Aki all of a sudden arrived and assaulted me. Actually, both assaulted me together, and with his personal pistol, he shot past on my vehicle screen and then back front side of the tire and targeted on me. But unfortunately, in the midst, Pura Mine did intervention and caught him. I am not feeling safe and secured. Even I got news from the air that Pura Yaki Tar family members and relatives are searching me for me to kill. This is only allegation made against the accused person. And incident I took on 29/11/2024. And this, on the day of incident, the present complainant himself appeared before the police and write a note, undertaking note. Kindly peruse the page number 25. This is note, undertaking note issued by the present complainant saying that I will not lodge any FIR or complaint against
doesn't
the
matter
accused persons.
which
And
is page 25.
Page 25.
By whom?
This
The
is the present
victim.
complainant. Present
Victim.
complainant.
Victim.
Here in this case, victim, there are no such injury caused to the present complainant.
What about this?
This is a third
What about
wave.
this?
This medical injury report and photograph each of third wave. This is of third wave photographs with child is a third wave
Okay.
regarding the FIR case number 99/24.
So injured?
Injured, yes. She got injured.
Third
from
wife
the, from
got
the,
injured?
from
which
the
you-
assault from
Which
second
you are,
wave.
which you are in favor?
No, there is an independent separate case.
Okay.
Because I was no involvement of this injury. Only I was intervened there in order to pacify the fight between sister waves.
But you have fired a shot.
That the using of arm, that is arm, licensed arm, in order to prevent from the further cause of injury, because there was a involvement of 1.5-month baby with the third waves. So on the midway, the third waves were mercilessly beaten by the second wave. That's why, in order
Yes,
to
madam.
pacify,
Anything.
20 days I have been there.
As per the loss of this case study, lordship, the investigation on the part of accused is completed, but the FSR report and the MLC report is pending to receive, lordship. That's it.
You are saying that there was no injury.
Yes, regarding the FSL report, it might be the arm, regarding the arm.
Is
There
there
was no
any-
such
any-
injury,
Any injury? Injury report.
Lordship,
no injury, no any single.
here,
such
lordship, in
injury
this
there.
FIR, lordship, where the arm act is there, lordship, the injury is not caused, lordship. Only the he used that pistol to intervene the fight between the two wives, as per his statement.
This
And just he shot the on the vehicle, lordship, by that.
arm has been seized.
Yes,
Yes.
lordship. Everything
Investigation completed.
on the part of accused, lordship, but the FSR report, that thing is remaining to collect from the.
FSL report of what?
Lordship, arm and the that had been found, lordship, because that from that arm.
That's
there-
why I'm asking, was there any injury?
No injury, no, lordship. No body injury is not there,
I'm
lordship.
recording it.
Yes, lordship,
Photograph-
it is, it's in the case study, lordship, it is there, lordship. The lordship can see go to the case study also.
No, no, you tell us.
Yeah, Lordship, as per this case, the Lordship, the arm is arm and the bullet has been seized for Lordship because that arm he shot on the vehicle, Lordship.
Of the
Yes, Lord, of
complainant.
the, yes, Lordship. But no body injury was not caused, Lordship. That picture is
What
from
it
the,
says,
yes, Lordship.
mark it. Yes. You just mark which case of him is me, which one is. One is this, one is.
The detail of the investigation also, and the accused statement also been recorded as well as the complainant and the victim.
Where is the statement?
Statement is Lordship, it's behind Lordship, the accused statement.
Yes. Vegetation, you are junior engineer.
Yes, I'm regularly
surveyor?
serving as a junior engineer.
Surveyor or junior engineer?
Junior engineer, posting under Karadara
Not
district.
Mr. Tito. Where LRE? Then consent to the applicant and MS El Hagelan additional for the state. This is an application under section 483 of BNSS 2023. When for granted bail to the accused person Sri Chapu Ake in connection with Papu in PS case number 98 of 2024 under section 74 T24 page 2 of BNS read with section 27/25 within bracket 9 of consent. When you were arrested,
Third December 2024.
who has been arrested on 03
Yes,
Third.
03.
1/2/2024. Mr. Next paragraph. An FIR was lodged by one MS Kipa Nargis. Charu Nargis Kipa against the accused Sri Charu Ake on 02/12/2024 before the officer in charge Bapu Hill Police Station, Naharlagan, to the effect that on 29/11/2024 around 1:15 or 1:30 p.m. 1:15 to 1:30 p.m. in the highway near Benjamin Hotel, on the roadside, she had a fight with one Pura Yakik Tar within brackets, the girlfriend of the accused, bracket close, whereby she attacked her when she attempt to attack her in self-defense, she snatched the iron stick from her hand and attacked her back. In the midst of the fight, the accused all of a sudden arrived and assaulted the informant. Assaulted her. Thereafter, both MS Hura Yakik Tar and the accused assaulted the informant, and the accused has fired a bullet from his personal arm within bracket pistol on the screen of the vehicle, and then body thereafter, and the tires of the vehicle. Unfortunately, unfortunately, on the intervention of one Hurra Mine, he was caught and the accused is caught and caught and she caught unharmed. Mr. It is also stated that the family of the Ura Yakar, Miss Ura Yakik are looking for the informant for which she feel unsafe. Accordingly, no, next on receipt of the FIR, the police has registered the case being Papuil PS case number 98 of 2024 under section next. Mr. Tito, the counsel for the petition, applicant submits that the present application has been filed by the first wife of the accused, as the incident that happened between the second and third wives of the accused person. Mr. When the accused person received information that both the first, second and third wives are having a fight, on the road at National Highway, Papunala. He rushed to the spot and tried to pacify both of them. However, when the violent act of the second and third wives have become uncontrollable, the accused was compelled to fire from his pistol, from his pistol to disperse them and to prevent from further escalation of the fight between them. There's no injury goes to either of the party, either of the second or third wife. Your pistol has been seized.
Yes, with license.
The pistol. There was no injury caused to the. No, before, no, to the second wife, you says, second wife of big informant. Please tell. The third wife received sustained serious injury. Yes, she was mercilessly beaten by the second wife, who had to be admitted to the hospitals at Hormone Hospital and thereafter referred to Trims Hospital at Nahanda. He submits that the accused has, have you deposited or seized?
Pardon?
Have you deposited the arms and or this has been seized?
Yes, the voluntarily deposited. Incident was took on 29/11. On the day itself, police asked, then voluntarily come and surrendered before the police.
The accused person, on being asked by the police, has voluntarily deposited the arms along with the license. Next, Mr. Toru, the constant submits that there is no intention to cause injury by firing from the arms by the accused. Is what purely to control the fight between the second wife and the third wife. And only to prevent escalation of the fight between them. Therefore, he submits them. Since the incident had happened in between the first wife and third wife, the second wife,
Second and
second wife and the third wife. The matter is purely of matrimonial disputes. Therefore, it's a mistake. Since the petitioner was arrested on 3rd 03/1/12/2024, and the police has the investigating officer has already examined and recorded the statements of the victim, victim, the informant, accused, and all other witnesses. And completed the investigation. The accused may be released on bail. MS Elhage, recent PP, but has produced the case diary. She submits that the investigating officer has stated that the investigation on the part of investigation with regard to the accused Charu Ake is completed. However, due to non-receipt of MLC report, MLC, FSL, and prosecution sanction of the accused person. The investigation is still pending to that regard. Mr. See, next paragraph submits that the accused Charu Ake has admitted that while trying to stop both the second wife and third wife from fighting each other, he fired a bullet from his pistol on the car of the second wife, so as to disperse them. However, no injury or harm was caused to the informant. Next paragraph. Have we considered that the the investigation has been completed. Except non-receipt of MLC, MLC report, FSL report, and prosecution sanction. Coupled with the fact that the incident had arisen, an incident had happened between the second wife and the third wife of the accused city. What is the name of the tree? Charu Ake, who is working as junior engineer. Which department?
RWD.
Rural Works Department, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. And considering that the disputes appears to be arisen out of it appears to be purely matrimonial in nature. This court deems it appropriate to allow this well application, accordingly. What is the view that since the investigation is stated to have completed by the IO, the accused person, namely Charu is entitled to be released on bail. Accordingly, the accused, Sri Charu Ake, shall be released on bail. On furnishing of bail bond of rupees 20,000 with surety of life in the satisfaction of the which trial court the judicial magistrate first class UPR with the following conditions. What conditions?
Lordship, that he may be cooperate with the investigation, Lordship, and he may not be induce any parties, Lordship.
Petitioners cooperate with the investigation. And he said, appear before the investigating authority, officer, as in when called for. Next. The accused shall not induce so and so, the places in so and so. The accused shall not. Second wife, what should be there? Shall not put pressure on the second wife, in the informant, in any manner. Shall not put pressure on second wife
Any parties lost.
in any manner, not any party.
Yes.
Listen. That's all.
Highly organized.
Things allowed.
May I please, madam? Well, this is the previous bill application, madam. The applicant is the government employee, is a blog education officer, my lord. So, my lord, this FIR, my lord, will find it page number 13, my lord, type copy.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, on the last occasion, CD was called for, your lordship. I've received the CD, but then the 183 that was recorded, your lordship, has not been annexed. If this matter be fixed tomorrow, your lordship.
Third.
Tomorrow.
Third. In any case, it will be rejected.
Then, no, Your Honor, I have a case, Your Honor, this is, my lord, all the allegation is like, even if we take the allegation, my lord.
Why it should be tomorrow?
Your lordship, 183 statement, before the magistrate, that has not been annexed along with this CD, your lordship.
Okay, so
That will be needed, your
it's
lordship.
from which place?
Dapur.
Dapur.
You'll get it tomorrow.
Yes,
Will you
because
get it?
this CD has also been sent through the mail, your lordship.
Okay, tomorrow. On the prayer of our Mr. Arsan Arban Consul. On the prayer of MS T. Learned National Edition, list this matter on 24/1/2020. So as to enable her to obtain the
183 statement,
183 statements, 183 BNSS.
BNSS,
Statement of the victim.
victim, your lordship.
A statement of the victim under section 183 of the system.
Deploy.
Same, 48 to 51.
Yes. These are
all the previous
Yes.
Your lordship, we have not received the CD, your lordship.
Interim bail is there.
No, my lord, may consider because all the
Yes.
punishment are up to 7 years only.
Hello? Without CD?
No, your lordship, interim may
Interim,
be
ma'am.
allowed, your lordship, I can.
So.
On
The
7th,
interim so. No, would say, third is there. Deepangi Learned Council put the applicant. MST Learned additional people submits that she is yet to receive the case diary. Next para. When you said this in the application, so and so on the second, huh? Yet she is yet to receive the case day for which she pressed for further 3 weeks time.
no, your
Next time.
lordship, on 8th, your lordship.
2 weeks time to obtain the case diary. Mr. Praise the Lord. This is the matter on 8, so and so, huh? 122. Next level. Considering the nature of the offense alleged, in the interim, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the accused, namely so and so, what is this?
First one is Katon Padum.
First one is the connection so and so, so and so. The accused shall be released on interim bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 15,000, which is to like a monthly. Satisfaction, the arresting authority,
Yeah.
So and so, so and so. Same on the following conditions. Same name will be different. Same FIR.
Sir.
Hmm.
Up to 51.
51. All, huh?
Omda.
Separate orders. But same orders. Name will be different. FIR and sections are same. Huh?
Omda.
Yes,
My lord.
what's to be done today?
My lord, CD was called for updated CD the last occasion.
Yes. Do you have the updated case?
Yes,
there?
Lordship, we have received the updated case.
Updated.
Yes, Lordship.
This is for what?
The quashing of the FIR, Lordship.
Hmm?
Quashing of the FIR.
Here, my lords, I am appearing on behalf of petitioner, my lords. May I audible to lordship?
But not today. Heard, mister. You are appearing along with him.
Both of us are appearing for their outside counsel.
So how many? One
There are
petitioner.
6 petitioners.
Okay,
Same,
one petition.
one petition.
Heard, mister.
Jaideep Kaurav, my lord.
All of your name have to be recorded. You just give the number.
I will
Or
give the
of
name,
them.
but both of us are repeating.
Heard, so, learned constable. MS El Hage, learned edition with submission. She has received the updated
Case diary.
case diary as directed by this court. List of Mr. T.O. Respondent number 3. Appears for respondent, learned constable and respondent.
I appear for
List the matter
I-
after.
My lord, the senior counsel wants a fixed date. Can it be on January 27th?
List on the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner, let this matter be listed on 27
January 2025.
2025.
Highly
Yes.
obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, my name will be recorded for respondent.
My lord,
All your name will be recorded.
my lords,
My first
Just give
interim,
the name, hold the name.
my lords, interim relief is there. It may be, I pray, my lords, it may be continued.
Well,
till
I'll
next
consider.
week.
Thank you. Yes, next.
First
I
of the
apologize.
yes, madam.
I apologize.
My lord, this is regarding land compensation, my lord. Since my lord, matter is pending in apex court, my lord, may I pray that this matter may be listed after 4 weeks, my lord.
What is it?
This is land compensation, my lord.
Ah,
And solution, my lord. They're asking for solution, my lord.
I cannot take it up. Huh?
Matter is pending in apex court, my lord. And my
Not
lord,
appears for the petitioner on call, MS T. Wangmo, Learned State Council. When I said this, Learned State Council, you said State Council, huh? Don't write domain network. Learned State Council. Submits that the similar, the method, the related matter, the issue involved in this matter is pending before the Honorable Apex Court. Therefore, she prays that matter will be listed after 4 weeks.
8 weeks, my lord.
We'll make it 6 weeks. Praise the Lord, list this matter after 6 weeks.
My lordship. I'm on behalf of Mr. Your Honor, in item number 54 to 69.
Yes.
Your Honor, the counsel for the SIT standing counsel, Mr. J. Sering, on account of death of his mother-in-law, he's out of station. So, this,
You are for,
Your Honor, I'm
no, J. Siri,
Yes,
special
yes, yes.
PP,
Yes, yes,
SIT.
yes, special BP.
So,
So this matter.
Your Honor, I'm for the
Taken up
petition, on behalf of Mr. G. Yobin, for the petitioner.
You
He's
are
also
also
out of station. Yeah, even I was instructed to seek adjournment
When?
today. On a fixed date of 8th January. He's outstation council, live in Shillong.
On the prayer of, what is the matter? IA is for
Condonation of delay of 7 days.
which you in filing what? Criminal appeal,
Criminal revision, Your Honor.
criminal revision petition.
Yes, Your Honor.
Heard Mr.
J. Koyu, on behalf of Mr. G. Yobin. J. Koyu.
J. Koyu. Learned counsel for the counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. G. Yobin and Mr.
On behalf of,
Tiomo.
on behalf of,
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Sring. Learned special PP.
Yes.
Within bracket SIT. Jointly submits that the matter may be stated on matter may be adjourned to 08/01/2025 as the learned counsel appearing in this in these matters are indisposed. List of prayers allowed, list this matter on so and so. List prayers allowed, list accordingly.
Obliged.
most obliged.
Item number 70 and 71.
You want to withdraw?
No, Your Lordship.
Why?
Your Lordship,
What is this?
the respondent,
What is
they,
this application for?
Your Lordship, they have filed, private respondent have filed the application, Your
For
Lordship.
what?
IA.
For
matter-
vacation of this stay order.
So,
Lordship, the IA has been, it's been filed in the apex court. And there is order in the apex court.
where it is?
I think it's in. They have informed me that the registry will be informed.
Otherwise, Your Lordship,
Sole responsibility 2 weeks time to file written objection to application of the prayer law. Who open me? Tigetso.
Your Lordship, they,
You are supposed to file objection.
yes, Your Lordship,
You have not filed.
yes, we will file, Your Lordship. We
What
need,
are you talking about? What, which order?
Your Lordship, they have informed me,
Yes.
senior counsel, that IA has been stayed.
This IA.
Yeah.
Why?
There
Is
was
there
a
any
stay
order on the
there was
IA?
there was an interim order
Where it is?
that has been
Which IA? 232.
yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
no,
Let us see. Who has filed this IA?
Your Lordship.
You.
Yeah, I on behalf of the respondent.
For what?
For the vacation of the stay order itself.
Okay, so this
The same matter has been,
this interim order has been stayed by the Supreme Court.
yes, Your Lordship.
How?
I was also informed yesterday only. They haven't given me an opportunity to file an affidavit also.
Yes.
Yeah, they have informed me yesterday
Saying what?
that the next day has been vacated from the apex court. The main petition lies in this honorable court.
I'm not getting any head and tail. Please repeat
Your Honor,
from the beginning. This IA is filed for
Yes,
vacation of the interim order.
yes, Your Lordship.
Who has filed it?
Me, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I
So,
only have to
are you pressing it?
No, Your Lordship. It is
You are not pressing it.
No, Your Lordship.
Why?
I got a direction from the
Yes, then HUD MS.
Talam.
No, forget it now. Mr.
Titatak.
T. Tatak, learned counsel for the applicant and also HUD
Talam.
AMS Ethalom.
Yes.
And Mr. Y. Ram, London State Council for the State Respondents. Please, Mr. Next para. T. Tata, London Council for the applicant submits that he has an instruction not to press this introductory application. Mr. He pressed, therefore he pressed that matter may be, the application may be allowed to be withdrawn. Mr. Next para. Press accordingly, the IA stands dismissed on withdrawal. And dismissed is not pressed. Huh? Then main matter
Main, Your Lordship, the conducting council, he is out of station, Your Lordship. So
in IA, in a writ petition on the prayer of learned council for the parties, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. We'll take it up. Resume it to.
Yes, actually matter is
Huh? Today. See, we'll see. Item this way, 78 and 79. You have not mentioned, you have not checked up that order of the court. It's for delivery of order, 78 and 79. Give me that.
my lord,
This
yes, my lord.
case is listed for delivery of order today.
Yes, my lord. IA number 183.
Sir, this is for delivery of order. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, my lord.
Today, this is listed for delivery of order.
In fact, we were all taken aback when we saw this matter in the hearing list. This came to us as a surprise.
I don't know. They have not checked up the order of this court registry.
It seems so, it seems so.
This
So we
is
were
for
taken as-
delivery of order.
Very well, my lord, very well. Very well.
Where this IA 183.
Yes, my lord, 183.
183.
Since it was shown in the hearing, my lord, I
relevant
thought I should be prudent, I should be present. Other, I was taken by surprise, in fact.
I don't know, yeah. Yes. Call her. They don't check up the order of the court.
Seems so. This is what has happened. Surprising
So
all
we'll-
of us.
So today, I'll deliver the, pronounce the IA 183.
My lord.
Then fix the 182 in some other day, next day.
Oh, yes, better.
I'll
better.
agree to by
That's it.
parties.
Yes. That's it.
Right.
Yes.
For the foregoing reasons and applying the principle of law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court, I am of the view that the above alleged defects cannot be said to have happened, and there is a substantial compliance of the provisions of the Act, which does not entail rejection of the election petition for non-compliance with provisions of Section 81 of the Act. In the facts and circumstances of the case, there is a sufficient compliance with the provisions of Section 81, 82, and 117 of the Representation of People Act 1951. Consequently, IA dismissed.
My lord, other interlocutory application under Order 6, Rule 16, could it be, my
Yes.
lord, on any date, effectively from 14th of January onwards?
14th of January.
If not before 14th of January, at least, my lord, because
In IA, huh?
IA.
On the, in IA 182 of 2024. Only as agreed to by the land council for the parties, this introductory application on 16, 15, 16.
my lord, 16th also is all right.
16 will
16th
be
is all right
appropriate
for
for-
me. 16th is okay for
15. 15 or 16th.
My lord, 16th would be better in
15th.
that case. 16.
16/01/2020. Along with the EP, election petition, huh? You
Obliged.
just write in the IS, in election petition, so and so.
Much obliged. Obliged.
Check it out, huh? Orders.
I am under 262 in WBC 14, my lord, is for impediment of the applicants, my lord.
Objection. Any objection?
Notice may be issued.
Is it? Why you want to implement?
My lord, those who were appointed prior to, they were promoted. Now they are seeking, my lord, promotion from the date of their initial functional promotions.
Okay. Now, Mr. Deepangi, learned counsel for the applicants. How many?
6, man. Just a moment, just a moment. 8, my lord, sorry. 8.
Next para. This is an application for implement, seeking implement of the applicants. 6 in numbers, comma. As respondent number 3 to 10.
Yes.
In the connected writ petition, being WPC 14 of AP 2022. Mr. Issue notice. Return in about 3 weeks. And land council put the land council appears and accept notice on behalf of opposite party writ petition. Opposite party writ petition. Therefore, no formal notice need be served. However, extra copies be furnished to her during the course of the day, today or tomorrow.
My lord.
Extra copies, do you need extra copy? Okay, then, in that case, yeah. So, the formal notice, issuance of formal notice is discharged. Who else
Item number 74.
No,
Your
this is item 72.
70 to 73.
Ah.
74 IA number is
List after
263.
3 weeks.
Same order.
In item 75 also.
75 different order. 74 IA 263.
263. For
Same order.
okay. Twin numbers.
If I, my lord, I'm
In
entering.
in 262 in numbers in
Yeah.
writ petition 459.
Yes.
2022. Yes.
75, my lord, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 6 to 13, filing of Wakalatnama today.
Okay. There are respondents.
Yes, 6 to 13.
You are in you are a respondent in this
Yes,
295.
75, yes. 6 to 13.
In WPC 295 of 2020.
Item
Not
75.
MS 75, item 75, huh? Learned concept of the petitioner. Next, Mr. Lee Pang, learned concept. Entered appearance on behalf of respondent number
6 to 13.
6 to 33.
13, 1 3.
6 to 13
You know, I am.
and phrase for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Very 4 weeks, man.
Huh?
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Will not all those matters will not be taken.
Because my implement will have to be done in that.
In that case, 3 weeks.
No, man.
I'm
We'll
for-
stay together.
Yes.
Mr. T. Omopo,
225.
in item 75.
Yes, 75.
For to so and so. Appears for respondent number 225.
Yes.
Then
225.
Mr. So and so for respondent number. Have you filed your
Yes, I
Uncle.
filed my affidavit.
you filed? So and so where Ramlan constituent is also granted for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit of his. Yes.
All right.
This will listed to all listed after 3 weeks. Aye.
Yes, may I please?
Oh, what? Sir?
This is condonation of delay in filing.
How many days?
There is a delay of 500.
500.
Yes, 559.
Will issue notice?
So here, Lordship, the cause of action has arisen on.
It's okay, we'll issue notice.
Lordship,
We'll issue notice. We'll
Lordship.
issue notice today. It's 500.
Lordship.
How many days? 569 days.
Yes, Lordship.
Almost 2 years.
Yes, there is a
So-
sufficient cause of action.
Yes,
Lordship.
but then we'll have to hear them. It's had it been
Lordship,
20 days, 50 days, matter would have been different.
it
So we'll
was-
issue notice to the respondents.
it
That
was
is the minimum procedure, right? As you are well aware. We'll issue notice. Heard Mr. D. Bose. Is it not?
I may be hard, Lordship. This.
No, what's the question of hearing? We'll hear you together. We'll issue a notice. I have heard you have filed this application for
Condoning the delay.
praying for condoning the delay of 569 days.
Yes.
So this court is of the view that we'll have to hear the other party. Is not it? Heard Mr. D. Bose, learned counsel for the applicant. Next para. This is an application under Section 5 of Limitation Act, Indian Limitation Act 1963, praying for condonation of 569 days delay in filing the connected regular first appeal being RFA number 10 of 2024 against the judgment and order dated 27/02/2023 passed by the District and Session Judge, UPR. In what case?
RFA.
No.
This is title suit divorce.
Title case that TS title suit number?
Number it is in the main case actually.
You'll have to mention here also. What is this? Just tell us.
Title suit divorce number,
And it is called title suit divorce.
yes. It is 27 of 21. Title suit divorce number 27 of 21.
Title suit within bracket divorce number 27 of 20. Having heard the learned counsel for the applicant, let the notice be issued to the respondent number, sole respondent.
Only
Sole respondent,
sole-
sole respondent. Returnable by 4 weeks.
No, sir, can it be listed after, because they are here only?
You take Dusty in that case.
Yes.
List after
Within-
3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. On 15, it may be listed. I'll take steps.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Next para. Learned counsel by the petitioner, applicant to take steps for service of notice upon respondent, sole respondent by regular process as well as Dusty mob. Within 2 days from today, within 2 days from today. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lord.
Why this has been listed today? On the prayer of people, learned counsel release this matter on 23. Yes. What is the matter?
My lord, this is actually closing of tenders for the outsource manpowers agency appointment of that. My lord, that
Yes.
yes.
Where issue notice? Nothing.
My lord, maybe give interim.
Which
The deputy directors, the deputy commissioner of Bumpare. DC, the Bumpare responsible for.
Yes.
Yeah, he is the chairman of that television Institute of Arunachal Pradesh. As for the direction of that, your Sattigara Film Television Institute at the setup at the Poma.
Look at the practical, I mean, the problem. Suppose if we stay the cancelling order, can you allow to recruit the recruit the candidates? That
Yes,
cannot be.
Yes, my lord. My lord, as per the directions of that.
So how can we, unless we hear them?
My lord, fact is that as per the Ministry of the Broadcasting Informations, now as per the guidelines, say that now Calcutta Sattigara Film Television Institute has
Heard Mr.
directed to the your,
learned counsel for the petitioner. I've heard you on that day. Nothing else.
Yes.
You want to say, if you want to show some rules that it cannot be cancelled, then I may.
my lord, here is that as per the lordship, for my national justice.
By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has. Where is the cancellation order? Where is the impugn order?
Yes, my lord. Just a minute. Annexure, my lord, here.
Your Lordship, if I may.
Yes.
I have these documents where now the nodal agency for recruitment of this one, FTI members, they have changed this one agency, RD, from Urban Development Agency to Urban.
Whatever you file your affidavit.
My lord, page number 58, annexure 8.
56.
56, annexure 8. My lord. This is impugn order for the cancellations. My lord, yes, without any grounds.
What is the, what I say? The petitioner has put to challenge the order dated 12/12/2024 passed by the Deputy Commissioner, Papumpare District, where were the tender for selection of outsourced agency for engagement of staff for FTI pursuant to the NIT dated 22/10/2024. Consequent to which LOI, letter of intent, has been issued to the petitioner has been cancelled as on the ground that due to complaints of the landowners, complaints of some other person and the landowners, the agreement in between the PD within bracket RD and the petitioner could not be executed. Issue notice returnable by 4
My
weeks.
lord, the mean will be
Mr.
outcome of this case.
Huh?
Main will, my lord, outcome of
Since
the
the-
petition, maybe some direction will be given, my lord.
Since Mr. Y. State Council enters appearance on behalf of state respondents. Any other party? Any private respondent, sir?
No, my lord.
No. No formal notice. Extra copies be furnished to the London Council for the petition. It is no next para. Any consequential actions, come on. It is provided, huh? Next para. It is provided that pursuant to the impute cancellation order, comma, any consequential action would be subject to the
Outcome.
outcome of the present proceedings.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes, my lord. I filing today for IA. Already filing matter will take.
For what?
IA. For because of that, my lord, the very short, the again says the department from RT to your leadership. That
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Next.
This is anticipated bail application.
For what?
This, it is lordship, it is the, as I have earlier submitted, this is the Tata Finance lordship. I have purchased I was called by the Tata Finance.
The case diary.
Lordship, here, Lordship, this is the main accused. First time this matter has come up today, Lordship. This is the first time this matter has come up today, Lordship.
No, call for the case diary.
Yes,
Listed
Lordship.
on 23.
Yes, Lordship.
It was listed on 20.
The only in the it was in different court, Lordship, this other court. So he has passed the order to
It was listed before this court on 20.
Lordship, that time I was not appeared, Lordship.
It cannot be accused.
Interim
Which place? Which place?
I am,
Okay.
this is a Simple police station case.
You are the main accused.
Yes,
Yes.
sir, he's the main accused, Lordship.
Without case diary, we cannot.
Lordship,
We'll consider on third.
kindly,
Third, Mr.
may I, Lordship, this is a vacation.
Mr. T. Tapak, learned counsel for the applicant.
Kindly see, Lordship.
MS L. Hage, learned additional PP, submits that she is yet to receive the case diary as called for. Therefore, press for further 2 weeks time to 1 week time to obtain the same. Press allowed. List the matter on 01/2025. We'll have to see. You are the main accused.
Matter may be fixed at January 8.
January 8th, not 3rd.
No, I will not be there.
On 8th.
Interim order is, Lordship, it is a deserving, I think, Lordship, in such matter of the case. Because this is a civil nature matter, and in case of arrest, I will be nowhere.
Okay. It is in the interim, having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the petitioner. What is your submission?
My submission is that I have purchased this truck from this Tata Finance this corporation, because Tata Finance Corporation has from Lakhimpur has this from Tata Finance Lakhimpur this complainant has purchased 5 trucks, and he was unable to pay the money. That is why it was auctioned by the Tata Finance. He has there was a
Submission of the learned counsel for the applicants to the effect that he has purchased the
from Lakhimpur
dumper.
Yes, dumper.
Truck.
Yes, dumper.
Uh,
Dumpers.
Purchased the 2 dumpers involved with the case from the Tata Finance and Lakhimpur. And considering that the other accused person have been granted bail.
Bail. Anticipatory bail.
But Lordship, the
And
other
let's-
accused has not complied the Lordship, the bail condition, Lordship.
Then in that case, you're right. Last that. Last one is having considered the other accused, you delete that part. What is that? You just say. Having considered the submission of language consent for the applicant to the effect that comma, in the interim, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the petitioner, applicant, namely so and so, so and so, he shall be released on interim.
Then Lordship, he may
Bail.
appear before the IO for the statement, Lordship,
Uh-huh.
on next day.
Interim released on interim bail on permitting bail of rupees 50,000 with surety of like amount to the satisfaction of arresting authority on the following conditions. List of the petitioner shall the applicant, the accused applicant shall appear before the investigating authority within on or before 31st 1/2/2020.
31st 12/2024.
2024 before the investigating authority officer, and he shall fully cooperate with the investigation. Mr. Ben, that other parts. You are from?
I'm from, this is from, mine is from, this is from Muhammad, this, Maidomia, this Lakhimpur.
The learning addition PP to produce the case diary on the next day, invariably shall produce the case diary invariably on the next day fixed. This day matter on 8th.
All right.